HTML tags are very important for search engines to optimize how things are sorted on your page and to find things. There's loads of articles online about it, but you know them as H1, H2, H3, H4, 5, and 6. And basically, it's almost like a table of contents for search engines. Is this important? And the short answer is yes. This video is just to draw attention to how this is done within Brizy and also call out the fact that it's actually changed over a few updates, and that you have to be aware of the fact that whenever you are using global styling, that the heading 1 to 6 actually brings in an HTML tag with it as well. Here I have a H1 at the top and I've put it on heading 1. Your HTML tag appears over here under the settings, and you can change it here, so it is not locked in. If I wanted this heading 1 feature, but I wanted to put it on a different HTML tag like H2, you can do that. Whenever you bring in a new text element like this one, it's going to bring in a paragraph by default. Go to Typography and you will see it's put on paragraph. And then if you go to the settings, it's on a P. Again, you can change here if you want to independently of that. If I change this and I put it on something like a heading 3, note that when I go to settings, it has automatically updated the HTML tag to heading 3. With this behavior, any of the preset styles in the global styling from heading 1 to heading 6 will take the HTML tag from H1 to H6. If you want to create a hierarchy of headings, but you don't want to connect them to the HTML tags, you can do that by going to the global styling and then add a new one over here. Scroll down to reveal it, change the name, and let's call this my heading 3. This will be your personal heading. Let's make a few changes. Let's put it on 19 and let's say this is medium. If you now click back and you select my heading 3, you will see that the HTML tag still remains at H3. Let's bring in another text element, same. Click on it and let's put it on my heading 3. HTML tag is on P for paragraph. Now that new heading you have created will act independently of the HTML tag. Be aware of this, that as you use the heading 1 to heading 6 global styling presets, they will automatically link to the HTML tags, but you can also go and change them out to your liking.